I'm Vickie Cervantez, the owner here of Decolores Art Studio. The reason why I chose Avondale is because this is my community. I live here. I feel very attached to the community. I definitely think that the relationship that I have with the Mountain View Community Center was definitely the starting point of all this. The opportunity to be able to host classes there was the best thing I ever did. The community support definitely was a key factor in me taking the next step to open up my own space here in Avondale. Coldwater gave me my first event here in Avondale, a space to be able to host an event. Building relationship here along Western with the different businesses like Coldwater, Mercado Central, those have all been key factors in being able to get my studio's name, visible. It's important for us to know who our neighbors are, and that way we know how to work together to make Western more successful. For anybody who would just like to come in and spend a couple hours creating and painting, we do have a drop-in section that has canvases, ceramics, wood pieces, even tote bags. Events are definitely our big things on the calendar. We definitely focus on 3 major events a month. We have a kids event, an adult event, and we also have a night event. We do offer monthly courses, so we actually do offer the educational side of it as well as the fun side. And that's kind of what I want to create here, a place where community and art come together and people feel like this is a space where they can come, socialize, just kind of leave the worries of the world outside for, a couple of hours. So here on the art market side of Decolores, you will find a wide range of, products, anywhere from mystery books to keychains, and that are all done by local individuals here. That definitely is one of my favorite things here. And the reason why is because it allows me to support other small businesses in our community. I feel it's very important because I was a small vendor once, at farmers markets, at Mercado Central. I would pop up there and, sell my hand-painted items. So I know what it's like to be one of those smaller vendors. So when I won the People's Choice Award, it definitely was shocked. I know the community that stands behind me, and it's been a very tight community. It definitely was an honor to know that the community feels that way about our space. Winning this award, it just solidifies, that what I'm doing here is what I'm meant to do. So the next big goal for Decolores is to build a community partnership with Avondale. I want to be able to offer an art walk in Avondale at least twice a year. I want to be able to showcase, our young artists. I definitely believe that, Avondale has a lot of art culture, and this is a great way for us to be able to showcase what art in Avondale looks like.